This tutorial is about creating Signed APK file for Android devices or emulators. This app is created by myself and it uses a bunch of React hooks. This app is kind of memory game and used for creating APK file. Let me play the game to show what it's like. Pick a menu from 3 categories: fruit, cars, cities. Try to remember item location and click to play button. You are supposed to find the word sold displayed by the app. Guessing here, 26, 24, 22, maybe 28, there you go. When you get right place for the word, all items will appear and wait for another round. A bunch of React hooks were used in the app. Using this app, procedures for making a APK file will be presented. Close in the Android emulator and expand the VS Code windows to the full size for easy reading. Step 1 is to create an upload key or key store. There is good directions for the whole procedures on React Native website. Here is the site. The procedures on the web is for making a Android app bundle file, but you can following most of them. If you landed at other page, you may search Signed APK through search box. Publishing to Google Play Store is the page showing the directions. Here is step 1. To generate an upload key, copy and paste the command line. Copy the buffer and will be pasted on the terminal of VS Code. Pasted here. If this command is executed, my upload key store will be generated and appear near package.json. We will find later. Let me press enter. Follow the prompt and type create answer. Password. You need to remember the password as it will be used in setting configurations. Your name. Organization, anything you like. City. Province. Country code in 2 letters. If all looks good, type Y. Here you go, my upload key store is just created. Let me zoom in the windows to find my upload key. Here you go, my upload key store is just created. It's around package.json. Next step is to move the file under Android app. Drag the file and drop here under app. It's here under app folder. This was step 1. Going back to the website to find step 2 direction. It says step 2 to set up Gradle variables. The variables are in Gradle properties under the Android folder. Finding the file Gradle properties. Here it is. Double-click to open. Copy and paste the code from the web. And come back VS Code and paste in the file. No need to change anything except passwords. Changing passwords, in my case it's Kim1234. The same thing here. Then save the file and close the file. Came back to the website for next direction. Step 3 is to add signing config to your app's Gradle config. Before going back to VS Code, let's copy the first portion and will be pasted under default configs. Remember the default configs as it is pasted under the section. On VS Code, let's find Build Gradle file. Click Android and App. Here is Build Gradle. Open the file and find default config. Scrolling down, here it is. Here is comment line as I did once a couple of days ago. Paste in the settings here like this. It's just copied from web and pasted here. You do not need change settings. This comment is for future reference. Come back to website for next direction. This line needs to be added inside the object build types. Please remember build type and sub-object release and copy the line. In Build Gradle file, let's find build type. Scroll down. Here you go. Under the last line of release, paste the copied code. My comment line is seen here again. Save and close the file. All setting up steps are done. And ready to generate a APK file. Back to website to find the next direction. The direction on the web is to generate Android app bundle, but we are generating APK file. The right command for APK is Gradle assemble release instead of bundle release. Back to VS Code, cd Android. And Gradle assemble release. Once the command is executed, release APK file will be created. The location of the file will be shown later. In case of Android app bundle file, the corresponding command is Gradle bundle release. It will take 5 to 10 minutes depending on system. Let's find the APK file. Click Android, App, Build, Outputs, then Release. Here is the APK file, App Release APK. Let's access the file via File Explorer.
Here is the APK file. It was created at 4:33 p.m. and the current system time is 4:35 p.m., suggesting it is just created. Next step is to install the APK on the emulator and test the app, making some room for the emulator. Opening an emulator. This is the Android emulator. Removing pre-installed app. Now installing the APK file on the emulator. Drag the APK and drop on the emulator. It's installing the app. Installing is done. Click the MF icon to test. Let's play the game. Select a menu from fruit, cars, and city. City is selected. Try to remember where's each city in the list. And click to play button. The app is asking to find London. Maybe here. 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 Got right 1 in 3 attempts. Presented so far is the procedures to create an APK file for Android devices or emulators. If you want, you can have your family or friends test your app. The file can be emailed to them for test or review. Thank you for watching.